ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी मरियं तु दयामयी.
Hi, I am Mrs. Nisha Zaveri. Hello students, how are you all? All are fine. Very good. All want to have some fun? Yes, stand up and you sing and dance with me, okay? All will dance? Yes. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. Stand up, come on Varun, stand up. Yes, you sing with me? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. Devam, why are you not singing? Stand up. Yes, all will sing and learn this poem, okay? 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. Come on, all of you. Clap your hands. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. Let's all sing healthily. 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. Let's all sing healthily. We will grow big and strong. Let's all sing our healthy eating song. Children, did you enjoy? Shall we repeat? Okay, all of you, come on. 1, 2, 3. Sing with me. Let's all sing healthily. We will grow big and strong. Let's all sing healthily. Okay, children, all of you have learned? Enjoyed? Yes, very good. So today, children, what did you have in your lunch? Yes, roti. Very good. And green vegetables. Very good. Buttermilk also. Very good. Tahir, what you had in your lunch? Pizza. Oh no, you should not have pizza in your lunch. It is not healthy. No? You should eat only the food prepared by your mother. Children, last year, no, in my class, there were 2 children. One was Manish and one was Ravi. Whenever I entered the classroom, no, Ravi would run and come to me and he would wish me. But Manish would hardly stand up. He will be sitting only. When I call him, no, he will slowly stand up and come to me. And when I ask him, Manish, why you are sleeping? He will always reply me, Teacher, I am tired. Then when I give him homework to do, Ravi would do fast and show it to me. But Manish will be writing and writing till the end of the period. So when I ask Manish, why don't you write fast? Then what Manish replied, you know? Teacher, I am tired. So always he was tired. Then when I took them for a picnic, all were playing, all were enjoying, they were dancing and all. But Manish was sitting in a corner and he was just eating the packet foods. Then when I asked Manish, why don't you go and play with all? Why don't you enjoy with all? Then what did he reply, you know? Teacher, I am tired. So always he was tired only. And he also used to remain absent in the classroom long, so many days. So when I asked him, why you are absent in the classroom? What he used to answer, you know? Teacher, I was not well. My stomach was paining, my head was paining. Always he have some problem and he used to remain absent. So children, if you don't eat healthy food, I ask him what you eat at home. So he say, Teacher, I like pizza and burgers only and chips and all. He doesn't eat the healthy food. He don't eat chapatis or vegetables which are prepared by mother. He always like the outside food. So he was always sick and he doesn't get energy. So children, you know, so we have to take a proper food in our diet. So children, do you know why we need to take food why is food necessary in our diet? Yes, to get energy to work and play, to study, to think. If you want to study, if you want to think, you should have proper diet. If you have proper breakfast in the morning, then you can have a energetic day full throughout. Then we also need food to become strong and healthy. All want to be strong and healthy, no? Yes, to become strong and healthy, pizzas will not make you healthy. You have to eat healthy food in your diet to become strong, okay? And then to grow, the baby, when you are small, you grow, gradually grow, bigger and bigger. To grow in a proper way, you have to eat healthy food, okay children? And the last one is to fight against disease. As Manish used to be always sick and he doesn't have energy because he was not taking healthy food and he has so many diseases. So to fight against disease, you have to take healthy food. Okay children, so you understood why you need to take food? We need to take food to become strong and healthy, to grow, to fight against disease. No? Then children, do you know how many meals in a day do we eat? Varun, can you answer me? Yes, we eat 3 meals in a day. Devam, in the morning what do we have? Very good. We have breakfast in the morning. And Milan, what do we have in the afternoon? We have lunch in the afternoon. And Ronit, what do we have in the evening? We have dinner at evening or night. Okay, so these are the 3 meals which we take during the day. In the morning, we have breakfast and we should have proper breakfast. And children should also drink milk, no? Yes, they should have 1 glass of milk in the breakfast and proper parathas, rotis and all in the morning also to be energetic throughout the day. When you come to school, you need energy to study, to play. So for that, you have to take a proper breakfast and come. Then if it is a lunch, then also for the lunch also, a proper lunch should be there. Roti, sabji, dal, buttermilk, everything should be included in your green vegetables. Always you should eat green vegetables, no children? Then only you will become strong, no? Then at night also, you should have a proper dinner at night so that when you sleep, you have a sound sleep. Okay children, do you understand the 3 meals of a day? You should have a proper meal in a day. Now different kinds of food. We have learned that we should have food in our, healthy food in our diet. But in that also there are different kinds of food. One is energy giving food. The food which gives energy to our body, to play, to run, to work, to study, to think. So many things in a day we do. So for all these things, we need energy. Do you know who this is? Who is this? Virat Kohli. And this? MS Dhoni. Yes, he is a cricketer. No, they are cricketer and they are playing. They need lot of energy to hit 6 and 4s. No, so they get energy. They eat more energy giving food to get energy. Then the second one is we get energy from wheat, cereals, that is wheat, then rice, bajri. These are the things from which we get energy. We even get energy from butter. If mummy put butter on the roti and eat, no? Yes, serve you. So these are the things from ghee. These all things gives us energy to our body. Then next is body building food. Children, do you know who he is? He is Salman Khan, no? You must have watched him in the movie. Yes, so he has strong muscles and bones. And why? Because he is eating body building food and his body becomes strong. If we eat body building food, our body will become strong. But if we don't eat, our body will be thin. We will not have energy like Manish, and always will be tired and sick. Okay, so now from where do we get this bodybuilding food? Yes, we get bodybuilding from milk. Okay, children, milk is also rich in proteins. Then we get from pulses. There are so many pulses like gram, alad, patana, mung. These are all pulses from which our body grows up. And even cheese and paneer also help our body to grow. We need a proper amount of muscles and strong we need to grow. Then third is protective food. We need protective food also to protect our body, to fight against disease. If we eat a proper amount of protective food, then it will help us to fight against disease. They are fruits. So many fruits are there like mango, pomegranate, then apple, banana, grapes. This if you eat daily in your diet, it will help your body to protect against disease. It will fight against disease. Even vegetables. There are so many vegetables like palak, coriander, then capsicum, carrot, so many vegetables. They help us to protect our body from disease. Okay. So, if we eat a proper balanced diet, if we have all the three types of food in our meal, that is energy giving food, body building food and protective food. If you have all the things in our diet, then it is called a balanced diet and our body will be fit and fine. Otherwise, we will be fat or plumpy or thin person if we only eat the junk food or the wrapper food or the outside food. So, if you want to grow strong and healthy, you have to take a balanced diet in your meal every day. That also specially prepared from your mother. Okay, children? So, all will follow the diet in your body, Thank you.